Hey guys, happy spring. We are just over a week into the first couple weeks of spring, and it is raining today, which is a sure sign that those May flowers are on their way. We also have Easter coming up in less than 2 weeks, which means you've probably seen a lot of these guys in the garden centers and grocery stores, wherever you shop. Just wanted to give you a couple of tricks to make those blooms last long until we get to Easter time. Whatever stage you end up buying your flower, they're going to have those little yellow pollen things in them. Those are called stamens. And as your blooms open, you're going to want to go ahead and pull those out. This does two things. The first, it prevents that pollen from dusting little yellow dust all over the flower, and it's going to stain that pure white flower that a lot of people like to see this time of year for Easter and things. The other thing that does by pulling the stamens out, it actually prolongs the life of the petal substantially. So you'll notice in a lot of florist arrangements, the stamens are missing on all your flowers. But that's especially important for the lilies. It helps prolong those blooms at least a couple of weeks. And so just a couple of tricks for you to take home with you as you pass these out to friends in your home and church, whatever it may be. Also wanted to let you guys know we have several baskets and pansy bowls here, which is so beautiful. It's always the first thing you see in springtime here at the garden center. And as you prepare for your Easter, we have a ton of blooming stuff, a lot of unusual things just to brighten up your space. So come on in, check that out. We'd love to see you here. Something I especially love on the blooming benches in the houseplant area are these tiny little hydrangeas. They're in these little pots, a couple inches, and they're just the most adorable thing you've ever seen.